Want fewer interruptions? In 60 seconds, learn how to turn off Android app notifications. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app from the home screen. Tap Notifications, or use the top search bar and type Notifications to find it quickly. In Notifications, you'll see recent alerts, notification dots, and a list of apps and categories. Select App Notifications or see all apps to get the full list of installed applications. Scroll or search the list, then tap the app you want to silence. On the app page, you'll see an Allow Notifications toggle and notification categories below. Flip the Allow Notifications switch off to stop all notifications from that app immediately. To silence only specific alerts, tap Categories and disable individual notification types you don't need. A brief confirmation appears and the app will stop sending notifications right away. Quick recap: Settings, Notifications, App, then toggle off or adjust categories as needed. That's it. Notifications are off. Use subtitles for clarity and save this quick guide.